How to buy DeepSeek AI on Trust Wallet. Now, before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also, there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money, rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply use the code below, fund your account, and enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. So as you can see, to be able to buy this token on Trust Wallet, this token is available on COINEX. How to be able to buy this token on Trust Wallet? Copy the token address from here. As you can see, this token address sits under this Solana network. Open your Trust Wallet for that, and now scroll down until you find the manage crypto. Click on it and click on this plus icon to add this token to your wallet. Now scroll down until you find this Solana network, and now after you find it, click on it, paste the token address here, click on this add token. Now go back and find this token on your, as you can see, your wallet. Now click on it. So as you can see here, there is no option of swap or buy here. So the only way to buy this token on Trust Wallet is by having this token on one of these wallets, the Bitkit or Bybit or any another wallet like that. So as you can see, if you have this token on Bitkit wallet, go to that wallet that you have the DeepSeek AI on it. For example, this is it. Now after that, click on send, and you need the receive address. Go back to Trust Wallet and select the token, as you can see, DeepSeek AI, and now click on this receive, and now click on proceed anyway. Click on it again and click on here to copy the withdrawal address, and now go back to Bitkit wallet and paste this address to be able to send that token to this Trust Wallet to be able to receive it on it. So this is the only way to buy this token on Trust Wallet. So this is how to buy DeepSeek AI token on Trust Wallet. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.